Hey, Erin here. And here's the truth. I wrote and rewrote those talk descriptions a bazillion times, and worse, just don't do them justice. So let me tell you a little bit about who is this talk for, what problem does it solve, and what can you expect in the talk. So first of all, this talk is for leaders or organizations focused on their company culture, empowering their workforce. And here's the problem that we're solving. Everybody wants and craves authenticity and authentic leadership, but hardly anybody does it. Why? And there's this inauthentic river that's just flowing and grabbing people and taking them down it. And why can't they swim back the other way? Because when they think about authenticity, they think about being themselves, the old fluffy definition of bring your whole self to work. And that doesn't create action, and it also feels very selfish. And so I actually redefine authenticity first and foremost, that it's about exposing who you are when people least expect it in the service of others. Because here's the thing, authenticity is about creating trust and connection and a little bit of intrigue, but it takes work, and it takes you understanding that you're doing it for the other person. I also bring in data. We did research that looked at authenticity and really found that people respect authority, but they follow authenticity. And so it brings some of those data points, including some surprising ones that really change people's mindset. And then I give them the 6 principles of strategic authenticity. And look, I'm not a hypocrite. I'm not going to tell people exactly how to act authentically. That would be ridiculous. But in order to get from that river one way and go the other way, they need something to hang on to. They need some tangible actions that they can take to a meeting, that they can put in an email, that they can do tomorrow, that is doing authenticity, that is going against the grain, that's going against that flow. And so the 6 principles really bring that to light. And then I bring that all down to 3 experiments that I'd love for them to do, that they can do as soon as they walk out of that room to start getting addicted to this concept of using authenticity as a strategy. I do this all through a lot of humor, metaphors, stories, videos. It's not boring. It's actually fun. It's memorable. It's engaging. And I would love nothing more than to bring this talk to you and to your team.